We love to. New cities and try local food wherever we go.
Welcome to Lingo Ladder. Today's topic is travel adventures. Learn new words, test yourself with a quiz, and enjoy a fun story from the Alps. Part 1. New words, let's go!
1. Destination. Destination is the place where someone is going. 2. Journey. Journey means traveling from one place to another. 3. Luggage. Luggage refers to the bags or suitcases you take when you travel. 4. Ticket. A ticket is a paper or digital pass that lets you travel. 5. Passport. A passport is an official document that shows your nationality. 6. Sightseeing. Sightseeing means visiting interesting places as a tourist. 7. Adventure. Adventure is an exciting or unusual experience. 8. Backpack. A backpack is a bag you carry on your back. 9. Explore. Explore means to travel around a place to learn about it. 10. Hiking. Hiking is walking long distances, especially in nature. 11. Map. A map is a drawing that shows where places are. 12. Hotel. A hotel is a place where you pay to stay when traveling. 13. Guide. A guide is a person who shows you around new places. 14. Souvenir. A souvenir is something you buy to remember a place. 15. Campfire. A campfire is a fire built outdoors for warmth or cooking. 16. Compass. A compass is a tool that shows directions. 17. Tent. Tent is a small shelter made of cloth for camping. 18. Flight. Flight means a trip made by plane. 19. Adventure gear. Adventure gear refers to special equipment for outdoor activities. 20. Memories. Memories are things you remember from the past.
Now it's quiz time! Let's see how well you remember the words. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is passport. Correct answer is luggage. Correct answer is destination. Correct answer is journey. Correct answer is hiking. Correct answer is ticket. Correct answer is sightseeing. Correct answer is guide. Correct answer is hotel. Correct answer is adventure. Correct answer is souvenir. Correct answer is backpack. Correct answer is compass. Correct answer is map. Correct answer is campfire. Correct answer is tent. Correct answer is adventure gear. Correct answer is flight. Correct answer is explore. Correct answer is memories. Great job! Now it's story time. Listen to the story and try to understand how these words are used in real life.
Hi, I'm Leo, And this is the story of the craziest, funniest, and snowiest adventure of my life. When my parents told me we were going to the Alps for vacation, I nearly jumped out of my chair. The Alps! My dream destination. I packed my luggage 3 times just to make sure I had everything: my compass, my flashlight, and of course, my lucky socks. The journey started super early. I was half asleep but too excited to care. I even held my passport like a golden ticket from a movie. At the airport, I waved my real ticket in the air and said, "Ready for takeoff." Mom just rolled her eyes, but I could tell she was laughing behind that serious face. The flight was long but fun. I watched the clouds and imagined myself flying above the mountains like an eagle. Then I spilled orange juice on my adventure gear, classic Leo move. Dad just smiled and said, "Every great explorer has messy moments." When we finally landed, I saw the Alps for the first time. Wow. Huge white mountains, tall pine trees, and air so fresh it almost froze my nose. Our hotel looked like something from a fairy tale, with wooden balconies and snow on the roof. From my window, I could see people hiking up narrow trails. I whispered to myself, "Tomorrow, that's going to be me." The next morning, our guide Marco gave me a small map and said, "Today we explore the mountain path." I felt like a hero on a secret mission. I put on my backpack, grabbed my compass, and shouted, "Adventure begins now!" Hiking wasn't easy. My legs hurt after 10 minutes, but I didn't care. I stopped to look at every flower, every strange rock, every bird. Marco said I was the most curious traveler he had ever met. "That's because I'm a professional explorer," I told him proudly. At one point, it started snowing chunny flakes landing on my nose. I opened my compass and pretended to lead the team. "North is that way," I said dramatically. Marco laughed so hard he almost dropped his walking stick. When we stopped to rest, Marco built a small campfire. We roasted marshmallows, and I accidentally burned mine until it looked like a tiny meteor. I saluted it and said, "Rest in peace, brave marshmallow." Everyone laughed for 5 minutes straight. That night, we set up a tent near the fire. It was my first time sleeping outdoors, and I loved it. The stars looked close enough to touch. I listened to Marco's mountain stories while I held my compass like a treasure. I felt like I was living inside one of those adventure books I used to read. In the morning, we reached a small village hidden between 2 snowy hills. There, I found my favorite souvenir ever, a tiny wooden eagle with its wings open. The shopkeeper said, "To remind you to always fly high." I nodded and promised I would. When we got back to the hotel, I was exhausted but happier than ever. My backpack was lighter, but my heart was full of memories. This trip taught me that adventure isn't just about mountains or tents. It's about laughing when things go wrong, exploring new paths, and enjoying every step along the way. As we packed to go home, I slipped my compass into my pocket and looked out at the mountains one last time. "Don't worry," I whispered. "I'll be back." Adventure never ends.
Thank you for watching Lingo Ladder. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe for more fun lessons and stories. See you in the next one.